Some of these gadgets look straight out of a sci-fi movie, but you can actually buy them in 2026. From insane smart tech to futuristic gear, these are seriously next level. Let's jump in. Sharge ICEMAG 2. This power bank is doing way more than just charging your phone. The Sharge ICEMAG 2 packs a 10,000 mAh battery, 15-watt MagSafe style wireless charging, and a transparent kickstand with active cooling. Its built-in fan helps manage heat while charging, while wired charging can deliver up to 30 watts output, enough to power devices like a MacBook Air. The strong magnetic connection also keeps your phone secure in portrait or landscape mode. MagMirror. Your phone's front camera just got seriously outclassed. MagMirror lets you use your smartphone's powerful rear camera while still seeing yourself in real time, turning your phone into a compact vlogging studio. It also includes built-in LED lighting, so you can improve your shots without carrying extra gear. With its own 4-hour battery, this clever accessory is perfect for creators, travelers, and anyone who wants better-looking videos on the go. Level lock. What if you could turn your existing door lock into a smart lock without making your home look high-tech? That's the idea behind Level Lock Plus. It works with Apple Home Keys, HomeKit, iOS, and Android, while fitting directly into your existing hardware with no obvious tech on the inside or outside. You can unlock it by tapping with Apple Wallet, use Siri through Bluetooth, and even share digital keys with others. DECOKEE. Need more storage without opening up your PC? DECOKEE turns an M.2 NVMe SSD into a fast, portable external drive. Its magnetic enclosure supports SSDs up to 2 terabytes and delivers transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Even better, you can install or swap the drive without tools and use it with laptops, tablets, phones, and other USB-C devices. Hot plug protection also helps reduce the risk of data corruption during quick drive swaps. Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. Digital artists. This could seriously upgrade your workflow. The Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle comes with 2 battery-free pens and a 12-inch graphics tablet designed for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You get 3 programmable buttons, a built-in eraser, and 40 programmable functions for customized control. An OLED display shows your shortcuts at a glance, while its curved design provides a more natural, comfortable drawing experience during long creative sessions. VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light. Need better lighting without carrying a bulky setup? The VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light packs serious power into a pocket-sized design. It offers an adjustable range from 2,500 Kelvin to 8,500 Kelvin, plus a battery that can deliver around 2 hours of continuous lighting. You can also keep it running through USB-C, and when your shoot is over, it doubles as a power bank. The silicone diffuser adds extra depth and character to your shots. ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI. Want smartphone footage that looks professionally shot? The ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AC brings AI-powered stabilization to your phone, helping keep your shots smooth while you move. It features a magnetic fill light, 360 degrees rotation, and intelligent tracking that can keep you in the frame while panning. You can also switch to POV mode and adjust your lighting on the fly, making this a seriously capable tool for creators. Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace. Your old action camera might be in trouble. The Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace combine a large 1/1.3-inch sensor with AI-powered noise reduction for sharper footage, even in challenging lighting. The Ace Pro can record in 4K at 120 frames per second and features a 2.4-inch flip touchscreen for easy monitoring. With its 5-nanometer AI chip, active HDR, and slow-motion options, this camera is built for creators who want serious image quality on the move. Roam. Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or luggage? Roam smart tags are designed to keep your valuables easier to track. Unlike tags locked to one ecosystem, these are built to work across iOS and Android. You can attach them to keys, bags, cars, or travel luggage, and the replaceable batteries make them practical for long-term use. They can also send left-behind alerts and play a loud sound when you need to locate something fast. COLO GCS. Forget ordinary PC speakers. COLO GCS takes desktop audio to another level. This wild 7.1.2 channel speaker system packs 11 built-in speakers to create a massive 360-degree sound field. You can actually hear enemy footsteps coming from behind you, making gaming feel seriously immersive. It also works with consoles, delivers deep bass, and takes just about 5 minutes to install. Even crazier, its all-in-one design saves over 30 square meters of space. LLANO VoltCase. For creators and camera operators, this thing is seriously clever. The LLANO VoltCase combines a 10,400 mAh power bank, 20-watt fast charging, and an SD 4.0 card reader inside one protective storage case. It even has an LED display showing how much power is being delivered. Best part? It keeps working in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, while protecting your batteries and memory cards during demanding shoots. Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. Want to turn your boring living room into a full-on home theater? Govee Strip Light 2 Pro can completely transform your space with immersive lighting and over 100 built-in presets. It connects with other Govee products through DreamView, letting you sync your entire setup. You can customize the lights, adjust the color temperature from 2,700 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin, and control everything through your smart home devices. ROKR Marble Run. This isn't your average model kit. It's a cyberpunk-inspired marble machine you actually build yourself. The ROKR Marble Run combines mechanical movement, creative building, and futuristic home decor in one seriously cool package. It even features a USB-C port for powering its electric motors and lighting. The best part? You can build it in around 4 hours, and it doesn't need a phone, giving you a fun way to unplug and create something impressive. HubPack X. Worried about someone slicing open your backpack while traveling? HubPack X is built to fight back against everyday theft. This anti-theft travel bag features cut-resistant, waterproof fabric, a built-in charging station, and a TSA lock for extra security. You can carry it as a backpack or luggage, while quick-access pockets keep your essentials within reach. With expandable storage up to 3.7 liters and dedicated compartments for electronics, it's made for modern travelers. Cololight MIX ACID. Ready to make your room look like a futuristic gaming setup? Cololight MIX ACID gives you millions of RGB color combinations, letting you control every individual light bead for a completely customized look. You can create ambient lighting, gaming scenes, or sync the lights with your music. And unlike expensive systems that keep demanding extra add-ons, this setup is designed to deliver serious visual impact without breaking the bank. WaterH Boost. Forget ordinary water bottles. This one actually reminds you to drink. The WaterH Boost. Smart water bottle connects to your phone to help keep your hydration on track throughout the day. It features double-wall vacuum insulation, stainless steel construction, and a large 32-ounce capacity. Even cooler, every sip earns points you can redeem for merchandise, while the light ring on the lid gives you a quick visual reminder of how well you're staying hydrated. Antigravity A1. This drone looks like it just escaped from the future. The Antigravity A1 is built around native 8K 360 degrees capture, using two ultra-sharp lenses to record your entire surroundings without extra mounts. Weighing just 249 grams, it's compact yet packed with smart features like auto return and payload detection. But the wildest part? You fly it with a grip controller instead of traditional sticks, while FPV goggles let you explore the view freely. HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. Cleaning your bathroom just got a serious power upgrade. The HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber uses a powerful 300 RPM motor with 2.5 Newton-meters of torque to tackle showers, bathtubs, and other wet surfaces. It's fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating and comes with more than 6 different cleaning heads. A single charge delivers up to 110 minutes of use, making those stubborn bathroom cleaning jobs way less exhausting. MUZEN Wild Go. Don't let its tiny size fool you. The MUZEN Wild Go packs surprisingly serious sound into a miniature body. This portable Bluetooth speaker features an IPX5 waterproof design, around 8 hours of battery life, and a powerful 36mm driver for crisp audio. It's small enough to clip onto a lanyard, while the anti-slip rubber coating helps protect it from drops. With tactile knobs for controlling your music, this is compact audio done right. Govee RGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2. This isn't your average bedside lamp. It's a smart lighting upgrade for your entire room. The Govee RGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2 works with Matter, Alexa, Google Home, and HomeKit, giving you easy smart home control. With 64 different scene modes, dimming, touch controls, and music synchronization, you can instantly change the atmosphere. Its translucent design also makes it look seriously futuristic, whether you're using it as a nightlight or desk lamp. OLIGHT Oclip Pro. Tiny but seriously powerful, the OLIGHT Oclip Pro is an everyday carry light that punches way above its size. It delivers a 500 lumen floodlight, or a spotlight reaching up to 120 meters, plus a red light mode. Weighing under 53 grams, it clips onto a lanyard, bag, or magnetic surface with ease. It's also IPX6 waterproof and charges through USB-C, making it a seriously useful light for everyday adventures. Eilik. Meet the tiny desktop companion that's way more expressive than it looks. Eilik is a cute, interactive robot that reacts when you touch its head, belly, or back, responding with different emotions and animations. You can even play games with it and introduce multiple Eilik robots for some hilarious interactions. The robot also receives firmware updates and new content, so this little desktop buddy can keep evolving instead of becoming another forgotten gadget. ACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote. Creators, this tiny remote could seriously speed up your workflow. The ACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote gives you quick access to up to 40 shortcuts without reaching for a full-size keyboard. It features 10 shortcut buttons, a dial switch, Bluetooth, and wired connectivity, plus an impressive 300-hour battery life. Designed for one-handed use, it keeps your other hand free while editing, designing, or creating content. Arlo Essential 2nd Gen want better home security without complicated wiring? The Arlo Essential 2nd Gen is a battery-powered 2K outdoor security camera with a 130-degree field of view and two-way audio. It also features color night vision and an integrated spotlight to capture more detail after dark. Built to handle rain and snow, its battery is designed to last for months, while the built-in siren can help deter unwanted visitors. EZARC Electric Screwdriver Set. This is not your average electric screwdriver. It's built for precision repairs on delicate electronics. The EZARC Electric Screwdriver Set includes 181 pieces, 3 torque settings, and support for more than 260 screw sizes. It can reach up to 190 RPM and delivers around 200 minutes of working time on a charge. You can even switch to manual mode or use it while plugged in, making phone and laptop repairs much easier. That's a wrap. Which of these insane gadgets would you actually buy for yourself in 2026? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic tech. See you in the next one.